Hi Debina, hi Amitav. First of all, welcome. Welcome to Bollywood Life and thanks for being here on a new show, Siblings Confidential. And for all of you all watching, welcome to our new show, Siblings Confidential. We are delighted to have Debina and her brother Amitav as a guest. So, welcome.
We are delighted too to come here.
Okay, so we are going to be going through your life as brother, sister. Raksha Bandhan is coming, so you'll know. So your fans obviously want to know the journey you all have been, your experiences. थोड़े secrets भी आपको share करना पड़ेगा. थोड़े photo के पीछे कहानियां भी हम पूछेंगे. So we want to know this lovely brother-sister bond that Debina and Amitav has. And for that, the first thing that we would like to know is your memories. Basically, going back to the time when you all, when you all were kids. So that is the first thing we would really like to know. So this segment is called Yade. In Yade, I think so, Debina, you're the elder?
Yeah. Yes.
So Debina being elder, I would like to know your memory of first time holding your kid brother in your arms. What was that?
I can remember just before that when my mom was in the hospital and I had no idea about my brother would be born or anything. I just wanted my mom to be back home. I said, I don't want a brother. Come home, come home. My mom said, the doctor will catch me. I said, no, there is nobody in the vicinity. So wear your slippers and let's run back home. So I used to remember those petrified, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 days, how many days my mom was in the hospital, that I used to howl before while coming back home. And every day I used to go and sleep beside her in the hospital bed. So then came my brother, and my brother was so small, tiny. I was like, for him, you were there in the hospital. We could have gotten him home only. I don't know. I mean, obviously, I was a kid. So I was also a little girl, so I don't remember holding him for the first time. But I remember that I felt very jealous that why did he come now? I mean, I used to sleep in between my mom and dad. Then suddenly, how did this fellow come into my life and sharing my entire life now from henceforth? So I think one day when my mom was in the washroom, my little brother was lying. I made him sit up, look at his face, and then I left. The moment I saw my mom coming out, I left him. He just fell down. Today, thinking about it, I was like, oh my God, what did...
Oh, that must have been scary.
Look at him.
Yeah. Well, he's hale and hearty over here. Thank God for that.
He does not remember anything.
Of course not.
So looks like in the beginning, Amitav, she was quite jealous ki you just came into her life out of nowhere, right? She was so jealous.
Absolutely. She was jealous initially, and then she took up the mantle of being the big sister, and she started, getting her way by beating me to left, right, and center.
My God.
And taking out all her frustration, anger, I don't know, I mean, everything.
So she used to bully you a lot.
At that small age. Yeah?
She used to bully you a lot.
Oh my God. I mean, beyond words.
Yeah.
But that is how it was. That is how it was initially. Till the time, of course, she left Calcutta, came down to Bombay. And then things obviously changed a lot because then basically what happened is that the distance, there was a lot of distance between us. So, we spent little time together for almost close to 2-3 years. And, that changed the entire relationship completely. Right. So post that, it's been a different relationship, but I'll come to that. Maybe I'll let her add something.
Yeah, we'll get to that. So Amitav, I must ask you, Debina always wanted to be an actress, and if that is so, do you remember, any instance of her as a kid when you were growing up? People who want to be actors, they go in front of the mirror, they rehearse things of other actors. ऐसा कोई memory है उनका?
Not exactly, because initially I think her career started as a model, but my earliest memory of her performing would have been in a small club which was near our house in Calcutta, where we were performing some kind of a skit, a small play. Okay, so that is where the performance started, and from there on, I mean, we knew that she was a good performer. She was always over enthusiastic to come go on stage. She earlier also used to sing, so that also gave her a lot of stage time. So right from the beginning, we knew that she will be facing the crowd, the fan, and be in the limelight. So that was the beginning of it. And now what you see is maybe the culmination of this idea over the years, how it has turned out now.
She was destined for stardom, we could say. Devina, what about you? Amitabh ने कभी वो acting का कीड़ा आपने देखा? What did he also have any interest to perform like you?
Actually, the club that he said that we used to perform. Even he has performed in one of the plays. So, but there we realized the difference that he was never very keen. So he was doing it because he was a kid and he was asked to do it, and there was a whole mahol of a lot of culture, that singing. My mom sang, and both of us performed. Like it was a whole dance drama. Lots of artists. So the whole rehearsal happened at our house in Calcutta, because we had a huge drawing room. So in that drawing room, we could, uh, a lot of people could dance also. The people could sit and sing also. So the whole rehearsal for like a good 2-3 months used to happen in our house. So they gave a role to him, but I don't think he was at all very interested. He just did it and he was done with it. And as a Bengali, I think right from our beginning, we are taught to sing, we are taught to dance, we are taught to paint. So both of you used to go for painting classes. I used to do my singing classes. He used to learn tabla. So all these art and culture was always there in our life. But it is just that we could understand that he was more into academics. He used to read a lot. You can see in his specs. So it came very early on in his life, and I still do not have a specs, touch wood. Even the other day I was getting headache and I was like, oh my god, will I get a specs? I got myself tested again, and the guy was like, no, there is no power. I said, check it very well. But nahi hai na power. So I don't have a specs till now. And yeah, but he did not, we understood it right then that he had no inclination, and I had a lot of inclination. I would be very gung ho about it. ये करना है, ये मुझे ये वाला role चाहिए. That participation and asking for it, so that was not there. So we kind of knew. But my dad, um, he's also one enthusiastic person, because without him I don't think I would have been here. So he also really wanted my brother to take up modeling and all, and because he's tall. But my brother was like, no, I mean, he was very far away from the whole thing.
Always.
Yeah.
Okay, मैं अपने audience के लिए अभी बता दूं कि what Devina is saying is really correct, because he's so academically inclined. What I've come to know is that you're very successful in investment. You're one of the top investment people. So yeah, very soon.
I mean, he is very kind, but not exactly. But yes, I mean that has always been my interest. So being in the limelight right in front of everyone has not really been my thing, which is definitely hers.
Yeah.
And on the other side, I have always been on the background, and a lot of reading, understanding. So for the last 10 years, I have been in my profession as a wealth management person, and it has only grown over a period of time.
True.
So, but performance, as you can see, always that she is the one who is always ready, standing in 1 foot actually.
Yeah, for us, she is still Sita. There is no other Sita.
Oh, absolutely.
Yes. Okay. Now coming back to your hobbies, I would like each of you all to tell what was the other's favorite childhood hobby.
His childhood hobby, I think, was reading books. Books.
That's it.
I mean, yes, I was introduced to books by him.
Okay.
Yes, being the elder sibling, I was introduced to book by him. All the books that he used to finish reading, I used to read those. So you can say that it has never been my hobby. I've seen books. All the thing that I say today, I have read is because of him. So all the books that he used to read and throw away was this thing. Another hobby I remember of his was collecting pens. So obviously I was elder, so I used to, I mean, I started writing with pens first. I mean, I think after class 3 you start writing with
Yeah,
pen. Before that, write with pencil.
pencil.
So I used to have pens. So, and I'm a giver. I'm still a giver. So I used to give my pens to him. Matlab, the moment I used to get bored of my pens, I used to give it to him. So it used to happen that one day I'm writing and the ink of my pen is not there. So I used to tell, okay, give me one pen. He said, no, I don't have any pen. So these are my pens. So I said, but those pens I have only given you, right? So he used to say, yeah, but you have given, so it's mine now. I don't want to give you. He used to be this thing. That's why I used to beat him.
Yeah.
And all those beating used to come from there. So I found him very selfish. He used to be very like a collector. I said, what would you do collecting? So it's a bundle of pens, but he would not give me. So one is a pen collector and the other one is reading. Yeah.
अभी भी है आपका वो कलेक्शन पेन्स का, क्योंकि सुना है कि जिनको ये हॉबीज है वो लोग रखते हैं even after growing up.
No, not really. Not really.
Okay.
I mean, I've relocated across Calcutta, Hyderabad, and then Bombay. Very difficult to, continue carrying around my hobby from Calcutta, at the end to Bombay.
Yeah.
But, from my childhood memories, I remember it a little differently. Okay. So when she's telling is that, I used to have a lot of pens, and when she used to ask me, I never used to give her. But for her, what used to happen is that she never used to have anything. Okay. So only thing was that she was always taking things away from me. So from that perspective, I always used to say that first answer was no. You cannot take. Then she used to beat me and she used to take it. So at the end of the day, she got everything.
Yeah, I remember.
Must feel like, both sides.
Yeah, no, I remember because my ink used to finish, so I used to give him the empty pens. So he used to either refill the ink or refill that, what do you call that, refills.
Yeah, the fountain pens there used to be fountain.
The ink also, and those refill that plastic long
Ball
refill. The ball pens. So he used to refill them and keep. So that's why he used to say that perpetually you are without ink. So he never used to give. He used to take care and keep. I used to like throw away ink khatam, phek do. Ink khatam, phek do. So he used to collect all those pens and keep like a bundle. I used to be like, all those are my pens at the end of the day. So give me one. So he said, no, but these are mine.
Point to her. Okay, so what was her favorite childhood hobby, which you recollect?
Her favorite childhood hobby, as I said, that to start with, she used to sing. So she used to sing in different what should I say, on the stage and all. Then she used to dance. Okay, so dancing was one of her favorite hobbies. She actually took it quite far. She got certain certificates, and I mean, as much as in the small schools that used to go initially, that could take her. So, I mean, till the time she was in Calcutta, she was into all that stuff. Then, I mean, once she moved, then obviously all these passions and hobbies, took a backseat. So that's how it is.
Okay.
My singing has taken a back seat, but obviously dancing really helped me later in my career. So, yeah, it was, I mean, dancing was my favorite hobby.
In the reality shows you have shown it, how good a dancer you are.
Yeah.
Yes.
I love to dance even today.
Okay, so who among the two of you all used to get into more trouble at school?
You have to guess now, looking at us.
I am inclined to say Davida, but that appearances can be deceptive.
Me only. He was a good boy. He was so good in academics. There was no complaint from teacher, no complaint from nobody. Mom, dad, he was a favorite. I was my brother used to cry a little, and my mom would come and beat me first, then ask, why is he crying?
अच्छा, यानी कि बाय डिफॉल्ट आपने उनको रुलाया?
हम बाय डिफॉल्ट, वो अगर खुद गिर भी गया तो भी मुझे मार पड़ती थी कि तुमने मारा, पहले मार दिया फिर मैं बोली मुझे क्यों मारा, वो गिर गया। पर ऐसा होता था कि 90% ऑफ द टाइम मैंने मारा होता था, इसीलिए वो रो रहा होता था, मम्मी आके पहले मार देती थी।
Okay, so you were not so innocent.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were. Okay, okay.
Not at all. That's why I said no. That initially, that brother sister, you know how they are. Their relationship is very different.
Yeah.
Okay, so elder sister, now she has to get her way. So whatever used to happen, first inclination was go home and you know, hit your younger brother. And then once it's done, then she is like, okay, I mean, now my day is over. I can now finish my day because I've done the main chore
Yeah.
of the day.
Okay, so that was your
Dad.
first point. Tick that off. Okay. So
Absolutely.
ये थी यादें, and as you all see, as audience has seen, Debina and Amitav had some fantastic memories. तो memories तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है, but अभी हम चाहते हैं कि आप लोग एक दूसरे के थोड़े secrets spill करें. So this next segment is called spilling the sibling secrets. First thing that we want to know is what annoying nicknames did you all have for each other?
Annoying nickname I did not have. But yeah, he was very fat right from the beginning. When he was a little boy, even then he was very fat.
Okay.
So one day, I mean, I could not, like the other sisters, I could not like put him up like this. I used to hold him like this and walk. So below his arms. So I used to find that very annoying. That why can't I pick him up? He's so heavy. So one day I brought him home like this and put him on the floor and said, why don't you feed him so much? I can't pick him onto my lap. I have to always carry him, drag him like that. So he was very fat. So, but I was also too small to even call him names. But his name is always Ricky.
Ricky.
Yeah, that is a pet name. So
Pet name. His nickname is Ricky. Mine is Rimi.
उसके पीछे कोई कुछ कहानी है कि ऐसे ही नाम है?
नहीं, Ricky Rimi.
Ricky Rimi.
Rimi Ricky.
Oh, it's easier to call both of us together in the same breath.
Ah, that's one. That's one.
For mom.
Okay, आपका कोई nickname था इनके लिए Ricky Rimi के अलावा?
Not really. I mean, can't really think of
brothers
anything.
and sisters.
Yes. I mean, at least we're differing is concerned. Besides the beating and besides how much you teased them, besides all
Everything was physical.
Yeah.
Nothing verbal.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes.
Okay. The most trouble the other one has got into. कि ऐसा, you know, an incident कि भाई अभी लगा कि आज तो, you know, बैंड बज गई, मम्मी डैडी छोड़ने नहीं वाले. The most trouble the other one has got.
For him, I don't remember anything.
एक तो होगा, not even one. That's how good he was.
He was so good. He used to come home, he used to open his books and sit down to read.
Okay, any parent would call it a model child.
Model child.
Yeah.
I was always in trouble. Always.
चलिए, तो इनका एक नहीं है, तो आप उनका
I remember one of the instances where we had a pet.
Okay.
And unfortunately that pet actually escaped the house.
Oh.
And behind the pet, my sister, she ran off outside on the roads. Okay, running behind the you know, it was a boxer, it was a dog. But behind that, she also at that point of time, she was also some 10 years old and running alone outside on the road behind a dog. 7 years old. So, you know, at that point of time, it was very scary for my parents because not so much for the dog, but the fact is that she was running behind the dog. They didn't know how long this chase will continue, and at the end of the, you know, chase, where she will end up. So that was a scary moment when you know, my parents really got freaked out, and you know, post that, obviously she again bore the brunt of it from my mom. That she was very annoyed by the fact that you cannot just run outside the house just like that.
Okay, so you have been bearing the brunt of it for a long time, baby. That looks like.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so who had more girlfriends or boyfriends while growing up between the two of you?
Again, you have to guess.
Is this a guess also? Is this a guess? Do I need to guess? I think the answer is pretty obvious, right?
Yeah, very obvious.
Yeah.
Both of us are so obvious.
लेकिन पता नहीं, but the reason I'm asking because कुछ लोग छुपे रुस्तम भी तो होते हैं.
Hey, he's very upfront.
Okay, okay, okay.
What he is and what he's not, and like that, he's still like that. If he does not like something, he would say it so rudely. I'm like, okay, fine, you can just avoid. Why don't you have to say, no, 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 no.
Oh, good, straightforward. Eh? We need more straightforward
Very,
people. Yeah.
very.
But I mean, seriously, Davina, Amitabh, not even one girlfriend. Somebody that he liked, went out on a date with.
What, for me?
Yeah, you.
Oh, yeah. No, of course I had. I'm not denying that. But
if the comparative chart is
Yes.
to be there, then yeah. So
Oh,
that was the question.
Okay, so and I mean the comparative chart, the scales were heavily tilted in Davina's favor with this.
Not
obviously,
heavy,
hands down.
but definitely.
Okay, okay, okay. The one thing y'all would like to borrow from each other. It could be a quality. The one thing y'all would like to borrow from each other.
Yeah, because the way he does his intelligence over technology.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And what about you?
That's because she's always, she's always like getting in tangle whenever, it has to do with any kind of technological stuff. I mean, you take a laptop, a phone, not so much because that's something that she knows better than me. But, you take laptop, you take a projector, you take anything. She's
Not
very,
that
very...
way. Technology in the sense like online payment bhi, I tell him go do.
Oh, so he still does those things for you.
Not for me, even for my dad, I tell go to him. He called me. Why can't you do it? Sit and do. I'm like, no, I can't. I don't know why can't I get myself into doing all those things. And he's very fluent in all those stuff.
Okay. Okay. And what would you like to borrow from her, Amitabh?
Yeah, tell me.
That is something that I believe is amazing. Is basically, to have that mindset to basically be free in front of a plethora of audience. Okay, so I can give you some examples. Like when I go for parties with her, or if I'm going to some award function with her. So I go into a shell, whereas I feel that she basks in that glory. Okay, so she is open, she's like outgoing. So these are qualities which obviously I would definitely like from her. But that is a fact. I mean, these qualities are these qualities are not available with everybody, but
Yeah.
she definitely has in Oodles.
Complete people
I
person.
thought you would say my multitasking nature.
Oh,
Okay.
That means I think both of us are very multitasking.
He wants you to add one more, looks like.
Yeah.
No. I don't want to add, but that is her, elder sister taking over.
Yeah.
That's how she is.
Once again.
Putting my word in his mouth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so okay, thank you. Those are some amazing secrets. Like in Abhi, we want to put you all under hot seat. There's a common thing called sibling rivalry, and the way you have described things, so काफी rivalry तो थी when you all were growing up. So right now, yes, थी. तो उसको थोड़ा सा फिर से renew कर देते हैं. We are going to ask you a bunch of questions related to you all or in general, and whoever answers first, whoever answers better, wins this one. Simple.
Okay. Whoever answers first.
Yes. So this is called sibling rivalry. And the first scene would be, the first question is, we would like to know who remembers Devina's entry scene in Ramayana.
I remember.
I thought so. I got one in his favor. I got one in his favor. So you get this one. What was it, Devina?
Yeah, I remember because I think the one that I walk up in front of Devi Ma and with the mala in hand, and asking for Prabhu Sri Ram to appear on earth. So it was the revelation shot, and yeah, of course I remember. I remember my work. I'm obsessed with my work.
Okay, so that's 1 point to you. Who answers this first? The one thing the other person cannot do without.
I think he cannot do without his laptop.
Is that true? Is that true, Amita? Because if that is true, then she gets another point.
Laptop, not so much. I mean, for work, yes, of course.
Yeah,
But
so
then,
for work, and you're always busy in work, so obviously you will not be able to do
I
without the
go for
laptop.
vacations. I don't carry my laptop with me.
No,
So so we don't give her that point. We don't give her that point. What do you say?
phone or laptop, yeah,
that.
something that he's connected to work with.
Yeah.
Aha. So yes, you can. You can give her the.
Okay, that's
point
true over there. Okay, that's true over there. Now, this is something I should remember. This is something that most of us remember. When did the first lockdown begin?
21st March.
26th March.
21st.
Ravina gets that. Yeah. Okay. Are you taking a backseat because you've always been the smart, the intellect?
No, he was busy with work. I think on 22nd, 23rd. जब से एकदम properly बोला नहीं lockdown में बैठना ही पड़ेगा तब तक. I think, but our shooting stopped on 18th. That's why I very well remember कि 21st से हमने अपना lockdown मनाना start कर दिया था.
That's why you remember that. Okay.
She used to keep telling me that you have to stay at home, but I used to keep telling her that my work demands me to still continue till the time that they don't, force us to stop. We'll have to continue.
I used to go to the office. He used to go to the bank. Yeah, so.
Okay. Okay. I'm not sure whether Devina is not going to guess this one. This also seems in a favor. But क्या करे? पूछना तो पड़ेगा. Who's the father of Indian cinema?
Who's the father of Indian cinema? I know, but I am supposed to answer this.
I'm sorry, I don't have any questions on investment.
Dada Saheb Phalke.
Yeah, of course.
तू तो हंसली क्या नो?
Yeah, of course.
As he mentioned, he doesn't have any investment related question. So obviously, all the points will go to her.
Yeah. No, okay, then the next one, you could win this point. Okay. What is the name of your school principal?
Mrs. Lahiri. नहीं, मेरा principal तो बहुत बार change हुआ था, so I don't know.
We all went to the same school, right? I'm assuming.
Oh no. We went to different schools.
कोई बात नहीं. जो आपने principal याद करे, it was.
I don't remember.
She doesn't.
Do you remember?
I too don't remember.
This was a golden opportunity to catch up, Amita. This was a golden.
पहले बुलाया ही नहीं होगा.
हाँ, मतलब कि उनको कभी स्कोल्डिंग नहीं मिली, उनको कभी प्रिंसिपल को ऑफिस नहीं जाना पड़ा. तो उस हिसाब से तो आपको याद होना चाहिए रवीना.
मुझे याद है, मैं प्रिंसिपल को भूल गई. मुझे वाइस प्रिंसिपल याद है, मिसेस लाहिरी.
Okay, that's a vice principal. No.
वाइस प्रिंसिपल मिलती थी, प्रिंसिपल को मिलना मुश्किल होता था.
Okay. Accurately, your 10th standard result.
I got 86%. I don't know about him. He got more than me, I think.
That is also pretty good.
I remember getting about 90%. But yeah, I mean, I was still disappointed.
The typical studious answer. Like the ones who get 86, 90%, but I'm still disappointed.
I remember very specifically, I got 98 in maths when I was gunning for 100. And as soon as I exited my exam hall, I got to know that I have missed out answering one question in exuberance and overconfidence. And hence, I wouldn't get the 2 marks, which was also very easy. But then just I missed it out. So that was a tremendous disappointment for me. And I'll carry it throughout my life.
Okay, Amita, we know you're very smart. We know that now. For 2 marks, really?
Yeah, in
really,
Calcutta it
that's
happens.
the reason why
Everybody is studious.
it is, very disappointing.
Okay.
If it would have been to large extent, then we would have been like, it's okay.
Okay.
So you can imagine my 86% is not so good in Calcutta. Otherwise, I would hear from my other actor friend, 86%, that's like a lot.
Yeah,
But
it
I
is.
said, no, it isn't. Because in Bengal, everybody is studious kinds.
Okay, now I'm getting that perspective. What was the first
Yeah.
movie both of you all watched together in the theater?
I think Born Free. Nah, E.T.
In a movie theater,
Yeah.
yeah, it would be E.T.
Okay, so I mean, she's winning this hands down,
He was
completely
too
hands.
No,
small. I don't even know whether he remembers him with the E.T. film. He was very
I
small. I think
no,
he was.
I remember we going for E.T. and also there was this movie in which there was an actor who turns into a tiger
Junoon,
or something that she
Rahul
was
Roy.
very obsessed with, my sister. Okay, so
Since then,
I think
Rahul
that,
Roy is my favorite actor.
Okay, that's another
yeah,
secret revealed.
yeah. So I mean, so there are a few people that she was, really a big fan of when she was small, which is going to actually, anybody else, if you tell them, they'll completely, you know, think that she is bonkers. Okay, so her favorite singer was Baba Sehgal. Okay, I don't know if anybody even, remember now, his
Yeah,
earlier
yeah. He's
albums and
still
all.
good.
We do remember, at least the people who are involved in the line, they will remember probably.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And the secondary favorite actor being Rahul Roy. So even now she is.
I'm still his fan. So I mean, he's the only guy. I mean, actor. I would say, whom I have walked up to after coming to Bombay, and I said, "I'm your fan." And nobody have done this. I mean, I have met everybody, but I have never walked up to any actor and said that, "Hello, I'm your fan," and right from your film Junoon. So
Well, that's nice. I like that unapologetic fan. I like that. वही तो फिल्मों का जुनून है. Yes, that is nice. Okay, first one I'll ask you, Amitabh, and the one who gets more answers correctly wins this round. Name the shows Debina has been in.
Obviously Ram. So after Ramayan, then he was a part of this one, Nach Baliye.
Cool.
oh
Okay.
God, Tila jump.
Hmm.
Then
It's a lot in between. Okay.
Then, then there was this Pati.
Hmm. Okay.
Then she was a part of actually everything, getting becoming a khichdi in my mind because there are quite a few. And yeah, she was a part of this show where she was called Mayuri. Okay, so Chidiyaghar. So that was what she was part of, I think, after Ramayan. And, then she was a part of was a snake. I guess I'm
धन्य
completely
हो
forgetting.
बस चुप बोल दिया सारा जितना बोलना था इतना ही दौड़ है विश
Good.
Wish. Yes.
Any more? And we'll give you that. Any more? The five so far.
Uh, I think so. There would be six. There would be more, obviously, but I
Yeah.
remember six.
Yeah. So, but you have guessed five. Okay.
I'll get one.
Okay. So, Devina, you have to tell us the most, and he has to agree with it. Okay. So, it cannot be anyone. The most happening events that have shaped Amitabh as a person, the most happening events, whether it be professionally or personally.
most happening event
Yes.
I think his years in Hyderabad when he was studying in a hostel
Okay. So, that is one.
I would agree with that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. One is good. Then
वो बहुत सारी चाहिए
इन्होंने पांच बोला. So, you have to tell more than five.
I think he's coming to Bombay as me coming to Bombay has changed a lot of his this thing, soch or perspective towards life, everything. Because my mom used to stay with me, so he kind of managed everything by himself, he and dad. So that was obviously something. Then when he came to Bombay for the first time, or he knew that because I told him that I mean place yourself in Bombay. That time he did not even start studying, I think studying for college. So before that, he came to Bombay for the first time um, when that there was this flood. On the flood day, he came. He
Oh,
landed,
okay.
and he was stuck without electricity and all those stuff. He's like, "This is Bombay. I don't like Bombay."
First impression.
First impression was horrible. I think that kind of uh, I mean, these are all kind of the impressions that help you change yourself as a person and all those stuff. But I told him that this is a one-off incident that has happened, and you should come to Bombay and settle here in the future, so that my mom does not need to shuffle between two places at a time. It used to get very difficult for both my parents to manage him and manage me at the same time.
True. Okay. So she has guessed 3, and you have guessed 5. So finally, you get a point over here. But
Finally,
yes, but hands down, sibling rivalry. Debina beats Amitabh hook, line, and sinker. Okay, hands down. Okay. Okay, the next one quickly. We'll wind it up now. The next one is who was most likely to. May I give you a small situation? Okay. And you have to tell me that who has been the most likely to do it. Okay. So
I
in
think
case,
I will be none of them.
okay. If it is Amitabh, so you just have to point. So if it is him, so obviously he's
I
below.
point like this.
Yes.
That's me.
And you have to point upward. Okay, because she's up.
Okay.
I'm guessing that all the points will come upward, but let's see. The biggest prankster. Okay. The biggest tattler among the two.
What?
Tattler, Chugli.
Chugli khor.
Okay.
Ah.
So, okay. What event? What is the event? What event? Take it, man. Come on, Amitabh, take it. Okay. Who's the more hothead between the two?
Hotter. This word does not exist.
For him, it does. Okay. Fine. Entertainer or life of the party? Thought so. Okay. More likely to steal toiletries from a hotel?
I don't think.
I don't think anybody would be doing that. Yeah.
Okay, Tolia bhi nahi. Okay, fine. So you all are both nice and that. Parents' favorite? Do I need to ask? Okay. And the bathroom singer?
I don't know whether he sings.
No. She is the more lively one, definitely. So I am assuming that she would be the one.
Okay, fine.
Singing in the bathroom. Yeah, I sing in the bathroom.
She sings everywhere.
She sings everywhere.
Yeah.
Like you said, she has also
In the
done.
bathroom also, he's on his calls.
Man, that okay. So really, we all feel that हम लोग को और मेहनत से काम करना चाहिए after meeting Amitabh. हर पिक्चर कुछ कहता है. We will show you a few photos from your life, from your memories, and we want to know the story behind those photos. Okay. Now, because of lockdown constraints, I would have shown you the photo up front, but I'm going to be turning my phone toward the screen and zooming in the photo, and we would like to know the story behind it. Okay. So this is the first one. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the story behind this photo is what we would like to know. One
By
second.
the hairstyle, I think it is. Yeah. Okay. So this was in Bangkok, right?
Yes, I remember.
This is in Krabi.
Krabi.
Yeah. This is in Krabi. So
Okay.
we had gone there for a vacation together, and again, she being the wild one, so she decided to try, a unique, different hairstyle.
Okay.
No, that was my birthday. It was my birthday hairstyle.
Yeah, it was her birthday, and so we went for something which was more what should I say, not so very uh, you know, I mean, out of the way. So we went for a simple massage when she went for a, very outlandish hairstyle. So that's again what how she is.
Okay.
And I continued with that hairstyle for the rest of my vacation.
If I may say, his hairstyle did look pretty nice on you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Okay.
liked it. Yes.
This is a picture with Gurmeet, Debina, and I think so. You all three, lying in the water. So
Yes.
yes. Story behind
Again, this too was in Krabi actually.
Okay.
So again in the vacation itself. So she was the one who was most enthusiastic about trying out new things. So one of them being snorkeling, and then obviously in the middle of the ocean going for a dive. So I mean the
I
funniest
enjoyed
part.
it so much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Because of my pressure,
Enjoyed
he
it a lot.
tried. Otherwise, he was the last one. Maybe he was.
Absolutely,
Even though
absolutely. No
he's
way.
a swimmer, and both of us are swimmers, so he was like taking one step at a time, and both he and Gurmeet was there, so both of them were stopping me. Otherwise, I would swim away.
Okay. So you're a pretty
We
good
were
swimmer.
scared. We were scared.
Hmm.
We
No,
were
no, we had
scared that
to.
we'll take him away and then we'll have to get on the boat and go behind her.
Okay.
So we were just stopping her from, swimming away.
Hmm.
But that's what she was trying anyway.
Okay. This seems like a nice throwback picture. Wait. Ah, this seems like a nice throwback picture. What's the
Oh
story
my God.
behind this?
It's thrown us back too far.
Yeah. But I wanted to rack the memory of it.
I think it's in my nanny's place, in the garden
Yeah.
of nanny's house,
Hmm.
and that
Correct.
little girl is my mama's daughter,
Oh.
and both of us are holding her hand and clicking a picture. It was a long time back. I mean,
So that
uh,
was the fashion then, standing beside each other nicely
Hmm.
and posing for the
big
picture.
pictures.
Yes.
Yeah.
No
Yes.
selfies existed then.
No, no selfie time now.
Yes.
I
Uh,
remember that was the time I had so much of hair.
Hmm. Okay.
yeah. So we used to struggle with it every day. Not she, but my
I think in this
mom.
photograph was some struggling with my hair.
Because okay, that's great. Get it.
See, I'm struggling with my hair.
Now also she's struggling with her hair, she says. So now too.
Now,
In
not
that
so much.
photo,
Not so
Okay,
much. I mean, if you look at the photo, then you know that how big of a struggle it was earlier.
okay.
I had a lot of hair.
Yeah, but I'm guessing you must be missing that hair. Everybody likes to that huge.
Now I do. That time I used to hate it.
Hmm. Now you realize. Okay. This seems like a nice photo, and I would like to know the story of that adorable doggy beneath Devina. Okay, it seems like you're having a nice coffee or something, and there's a lovely doggy just looking up at her like that.
That's my little boy Dexter, who is no more with us. I lost him last year, and he got him from me from Pune. So the dog that he was talking about, जिसके पीछे मैं भाग रही थी, उसका नाम था एल्फा. तो
Hmm.
उसका डिट्टो ये दिखता था. So I mean, I said, Ricky, go and get Alpha from Pune. So on the way, Bhai called me and said, "Are you sure we'll call him Alpha?" I said, "No, call him Dexter." So that's how his name became Dexter. And rest he can say. I mean, how he got Dexter from Pune. Dexter was
Yeah.
so
So
small.
he was 28 days old uh, when I went down to Pune along with a few of my friends to get him. And so he had chosen Dexter from among, I think, 5 puppies. Okay. And uh, because of some physical characteristics or, some marks on Dexter, he was the one who was actually left behind uh, among the rest of the puppies. So he chose Dexter, and I went. Really, it was a difficult time to find out from where, exactly we'll be getting him.
Hmm.
So I got dressed. I finally was able to get him. All along the way, we were told that you cannot even switch on the AC of the car. You cannot open the windows of the car, because then it's a 28-day puppy, it'll get sick. So from Pune to Bombay without AC, with all the windows up, in heat,
Sweating and
we
all
had to
probably, yeah.
eating away. We
Yeah.
had to come back, and so I reached in the evening back in Bombay, and the Didi and Guru, they were absolutely on top of the moon when they got Dexter. So
And I
since
think this
then,
was on Dexter's birthday. Last year, na?
yes,
Ah.
last
This
to last.
photo was taken last year on Dexter's birthday.
What a heartwarming story. That's why they say pictures will always be remembered. It's a beautiful story. And then there's this one with your E.T.
Yeah. This is with me and E.T. in London Museum. This is with the Nakli E.T. from Mother. Kya? What is that
Madam
museum called? Madame
Madame
Tussauds.
Tussauds.
Mother Teresa Museum.
Oh,
Yeah.
God.
Madame
Got that
Tussauds
correctly.
Museum.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
it must have
So
brought back.
that's my favorite character from one of our first films.
Yes, that you
E.T.
have mentioned. So it must have brought back memories. Okay. And the final photo I have is with Gurmeet. You have feeding him something which I am not sure what it is, but please tell us the story behind what you are feeding and what's this occasion.
I'm feeding him luchi. Luchi is a Bengali dish, and that is, I think, one of our favorites. Ricky's favorite and Guru's favorite also. So I made luchi in the lockdown, and I thought I'll feed.
Okay, okay, so looks delicious. But yeah, I mean to say the memories, the journey, the secrets, getting to know who was bossy, who was more troublesome. It has been fantastic, fantastic. Siblings Confidential has really been unconfidentialized with both of you. And thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
But you only heard the rivalry part of it. But right now it is completely the opposite.
Yeah, he told us
Ricky,
that.
I mean, so it is. I mean, he's one of the person I can blindly trust on in this earth, and I tell even my friends that I mean, I have learned and become serious about investment from him. And people usually think 10 times before investing in stock markets and all. I think I have motivated a lot of my friends to invest their money, because money lying in the bank, people usually spend it. And ये जो ज्ञान मैं दे रही हूँ, ये मेरा भाई मुंह बना रहा है ये सोच के कि उसको मुझे मोटिवेट करना पड़ता है कि पैसे खर्चा मत कर. So money is something that flies away, so it is always very important to have a good investment advisor who would invest your money in the right place at the right time. So that is what he does for me. So I am completely sorted, and I completely trust him and his decisions.
Wow.
Exactly. So I was also telling that earlier, when it was more of a rivalry per se. But over the years, then since the time that there was distance between us quite a bit. So post that, things actually changed very drastically, where she practically almost became like a mother figure. Okay, so taking care of my needs, by helping me at every point when I was in Hyderabad. Then when I moved to Bombay, and throughout. So she has also been like a pillar in my life. So not so much of rivalry anymore, but yes, I mean we share a fantastic rapport.
I am sure that listening to these stories, I mean, her fans and obviously your friends, their heart is completely going to melt, because it could have been more beautiful listening to these stories. It could have been a better example of brother sister. Sibling goals. Yes.
Actually.
Yes, and thank you so much for doing this with us, Debina and Amita. Thank you so much, and I wish many, many more years of such a beautiful harmony, beautiful relationship between you. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Shaswat.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Tata, Ricky. Bye bye.
Pleasure, pleasure.
Bye.